How to fix screen share audio on Discord mobile Android issue. Hello everyone, let's get started. If you are facing some audio issues on Discord, here are the three solutions that you can apply. So first of all, head over to your Discord app. Once the app is opened, click on the three lines which is present on the top left corner. After that, you can tap on your profile which is on the bottom right. Then scroll down to the bottom and under app settings, click on voice option. Make sure that the input mode is in voice activity and not in push to talk. Moving on to the second solution, you have to head over to Play Store or App Store. After that, search for Discord and make sure that it is updated. Sometimes the update could also cause the error of audio. For the third solution, long press your Discord app and go to App Info. From here, select on Storage and Cache and make sure to clear cache. Now go back to the previous page and click on permissions. Make sure to give the permission to music and audio. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.